Paano nga ba i-register ang ating SIM na smart prepaid sa ating mobile phone? So okay guys, simulan natin. So punta lang kayo dito sa pinakang Chrome nyo sa inyong mobile phone.
Since magsisimula na po yung SIM card registration, ito to yung website. I-search nyo lang po yung simreg.smart.com. You will receive an OTP when you enter your mobile number below. So, dito po yan sa baba. Next, yung step 2, input your information. Kailangan natin lagay yung complete profile, enter your OTP and information, and attach a copy of your valid government ID. Sa step 3, wait for SMS confirmation. Don't forget to save your control number. We may need to further validate your details or notify you of your successful registration via SMS or call. So, mag-start na tayo. Scroll lang natin pababa at ito yung start your registration here. Siyempre, ilagay natin ang ating mobile number na smart or talk and text. Next, i-click lang natin yung send OTP at i-click yung checkbox na I have read and understood the terms and conditions and I acknowledge smart privacy notice. Next naman, dito natin i-enter sa ibaba yung please enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. At i-click lang natin yung verify OTP. So start na tayo, lalagay ko na yung mobile number ko. So since yung 63 yan po yung ating code. So mag-i-start na tayo sa 9, huwag nyo na po lagyan ng 0. So i-click na natin yung I have read at naging green yung send OTP. So click po natin yan. So ayun, na-click siya at naka-receive ako ng text message para sa OTP. So, kopyahin po natin yung OTP at i-enter natin dito. So, ayan, 781353. Huwag niyo po i-share sa iba yan ha. Since sa akin gamit na, okay lang i-share sa inyo. Since gamit naman na po yun. Ayan, success. Your mobile number was successfully verified. So, wait na lang natin yung next page. So, ayan, ito na yung lumabas. After ng loading, may nakalagay dito na type of registration. So, i-click po natin yan. Yung select the type of registration. So, may pipiliin tayo dito na I'm registering a newly bought SIM. Kung bagong bili yung SIM card mo, yan po pipiliin mo. Next, I'm registering my old SIM. Kung meron ka ng existing SIM na ginagamit, ito po i-click mo yung old SIM. Next, I'm registering a newly bought SIM for a minor. Kung may anak ka na minor na bagong biling SIM, yan po i-click mo. At I'm registering an old SIM for a minor. I-click ko na lang yung registering my old SIM. Next, nationality, automatic, Philippines. ID card, select natin dito. Ito po yung mga iba't ibang card na ina-accept ni Smart. Passport, Social Security Service ID, Driver's License, Professional Regulation Commission ID, Voter's ID, Unified Multipurpose Identification Card, TIN, PhilHealth, Postal, Bureau of Internal Revenue ID, Firearms License, Government Service Insurance System, Integrated Bar of the Philippines ID, National Bureau of Investigation Clearance, other valid ID or document with photo, Overseas Worker Welfare Administration ID, Persons with Disability Card, Philippine Identification, Police Clearance at Senior Citizens Card. So, pipiliin ko guys ito, yung Unified Multipurpose Identification Card o tinatawag natin UMID mula sa may SSS. So, kapag i-select na natin yon, ganito po yung lalabas. Kaya na-select na yung UMID, click na natin yung take photo para sa ID card verification. Ayan, magsaselect tayo, make sure nakasama mo na yung ID mo. So, pipicturean lang natin, click natin yung allow. Ayan, nag-check na at ito na, get ready to scan your face. Scan face tips, make sure you're in a well-lit room. Place your face within the frame. Wait a second for automatic scanning. Please don't wear mask when scanning. So, click natin scan face. Ganito na po ilalabas. Dito na tayo sa may address information. So, ilagay na lang natin yung address natin. Present or official home address, kung ano nakalagay sa address ng ID mo, yun po ilalagay natin dito. So, i-fill out mo lang yan. Building, province, city, municipality, barangay, zip code. Yung sa zip code, automatic na po yan once na na-fill out mo na yung mga province, city, municipality, barangay. At sa alternate contact information, lagay mo lang po yung alternate contact number at email address. Siguraduhin mo lang po tama lahat ng mga information para hindi ka na po paulit-ulit since mabagal talaga yung website ng Smart. Since okay na akin at nakapag-fill out na ako, click na natin yung next at ganito po yung lalabas. May nakalagay po dito na summary, so i-review lang natin ang ating mobile number, serial number, nationality, ID card, ID number, first name, middle name, last name, birthday, gender, address, alternate contact number, email address, at sa may ibaba nakalagay dito, basahin na lang natin, na I do hereby attest that I personally accomplished the registration and the information and identification documents provided are true, accurate, and correct. So, click nyo lang yung checkbox na yan at sa ibaba, optional lang po yan kung gusto nyo makareceive ng customized offer, recommendation, and promotion from Smart. So, kapag okay na, tama naman lahat ng mga information ninyo, click na natin yung next. So, ayan, next. At ito yung lumabas, oops, sorry, your registration cannot be processed at this time, please try again. So, X lang natin yan at ulit-ulitin lang natin, i-click yung next hanggang sa makapasok. At ito na nga sa wakas, you have successfully registered your SIM. You will receive another SMS once your SIM is fully activated. Please keep this control number as this will serve as your certificate of registration. So, screenshot nyo po yan, yung control number, para hindi nyo malimutan. So, naka-receive na rin ako ng text message from Smart. Nakakatunayan ay nakapag-register na ako ng aking SIM card sa kanilang website. So, ayun na, since okay na nakapag-screenshot na tayo at natago na natin ang ating control number, kung gusto nyo pa mag-register, click nyo lang po yun na register another SIM card. So, igagawa naman ako ng tutorial about sa my token text, kung paano mag-register sa token text, sa Globe TM, at dito telco. Kaya naman, siguraduhin mo lang po na nakasubscribe ka sa YouTube channel ko at nakafollow ka sa aking Facebook page para maging updated ka sa mga bawat upload ko tungkol sa SIM registration. I-share mo na rin yung video na ito para makita ng iba. Hanggang dito na lamang yung vlog natin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.